Welcome my dear students. In 7th class we learn subject Maths. Chapter number 6, Indices. Indices. Part number 6.2, Square and Cube. Rules of indices. Square and cube म्हणजे वर्ग आणि घन. First we learn square. Example 3 raised to 2. 3 into 2. 3 raised to 2 read as 3 raised to 2. 3 squared. The square of 3. The square of 3. The second power of any number is the square of that number. For example, 1 square, 1 into 1, 1, 2 square, 2 into 2, 4, 3 square, 3 into 3, 3 3s are 9, 4 square, 4 4s are 16, 5 square, 5 into 5, 5 5s are 25. B. Cube. 5 raised to 3. 5 into 5 into 5 read as 5 raised to 3. 5 cube, the cube of 5. The third power of any number is the cube of that number. For example, 1 cube, 1 into 1 into 1, value is 1. 2 cube, 2 into 2 into 2, 8. 3 cube, 3 into 3 into 3, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. The cube of 4, 4 into 4 into 4, 64. The cube of 5, 5 into 5 into 5, 125. Next we learn laws of indices. Here I write down 9 laws of indices. We want to look examples based on each rule of indices. A0 is equal to 1. AB index m, A raised to m, AB raised to minus m. Let's study the examples based on each of these rules. We start rule number first. Multiplication of indices with same base. For example, 2 raised to 4, 2 raised to 3. 2 is multiplied 4 times and 2 is multiplied 3 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2 multiply 7 times. Therefore, 2 raised to 4 into 2 raised to 3 is equal to 2 raised to 4 plus 3 is equal to 2 raised to 7. Next example, minus 3 raised to 2 minus 3 raised to 3. Multiplication 5 times minus 3. Therefore, minus 3 raised to 2 and minus 3 raised to 3 minus 3, 5, 2 plus 3 is equal to minus 3, 5 raised to 5. Multiplication of indices with the same base, so we want to add the index number. Next example, minus 2 upon 5 raised to 2 minus 2 upon 5 raised to 3 minus 2 upon 5 raised to 5. Here we want to add the index number. Index is 5. Second number rule, division of indices with the same base. 6 raised to 4 divided by 6 raised to 2. What is the answer? 6 raised to 4 upon 6 raised to 2. 6 multiply 4 times, 6 multiply 2 times, 6 square. Therefore, division of indices with the same base, so we want to subtract the index number. Value is 6 raised to 2. Next example is minus 2 raised to 5 divided by minus 2 raised to 3. Minus 2 multiply 5 times and minus 2 multiply 3 times. Divided by minus 2 3 times. Remaining minus 2 into minus 2. Value is minus 2 raised to 2. Therefore, division of indices with the same base, we want to subtract the index number. Minus 2 raised to 5 minus 3 minus 2 raised to 2. Rule number 3. Index 1. If index is any number, the 1 value of number is that number itself. 5 raised to 1 value is 5. 10 raised to 1 value is 10. 500 raised to 1 value is 500. X raised to 1 value is x. Y raised to 1 value is y. When index is 0, value is 1. The meaning of index 0, a raised to m divided by a raised to m. A raised to m minus 1, a raised to 0 is equal to 1. A raised to m divided by a raised to m is equal to 1, so that a raised to 0 is 1. Example for these rules. First number example, 7 raised to 0 value is 1. 125 raised to 0 value is 1. 8 into 10 raised to 0, 8 raised to 0, 10 raised to 0, value is 1. Today we learn square, cube and rules of indices. Indices rules 9. Today we learn 4 rules. Let's study some more examples based on this. First square, 4 square 16, 8 square 64, 35 square 1225, 50 square 2500. More examples based on cube. The cube of 7, 49 into 7, 343. The cube of 15, 15 into 15 into 15, 15 15s are 225, 225 into 15, 3375. The cube of 10, 10 into 10 into 10, 100, 1000. Some more examples based on rules. A raised to m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. X raised to a, x raised to b, x raised to a plus b. 6 raised to 5 plus 8, 6 raised to 13. 1 upon 2 raised to 5, 1 upon 2 raised to 3, 1 upon 2 raised to 8. Some more examples on rule number 2. A raised to m divided by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n. Here I give 3 examples based on rule number 2. Division of indices with the same base. We want to subtract of index number. Rule number 3. A raised to 1 value is that number itself. A raised to 1 x 120 raised to 1 120 minus 3 upon 5 raised to 1 minus 3 upon 5. Some examples on rule number 4. A raised to 0 is equal to 1 minus 5 upon 8 raised to 0 is equal to 1. Today's homework. First, write square of 1 to 30. Write cube of 1 to 20. Practice set number 27 and practice set number 28. Hope you understand part number 6.2. Stay at home, stay safe and study regularly.